There is an animal in Africa that truly reflects our sense of family. They tower over the rest. Yet, they are the best of neighbors. Meet Mimi, the newborn. Wei-Wei, the toddler. And Athena, who looks after them all. Their entire world is built on the love and strength of their family. Home is a waterhole in paradise. But one day, it all changes. They are forced out into the wilderness. Their friends left behind. A baby who is struggling. You are invited to experience the incredible story of an inspirational leader. The loved ones she must protect, the home they must leave, the journey they must make. The Elephant Queen.